This guy started to build his home's foundation, but when an unusual storm came, everything changed. First, he started by shoveling over rebar, but that didn't help because it turned out there was a thick layer of ice under it. So he decided to use a torch. However, it was an even worse idea because it took forever to melt even a tiny area of ice. He even melted off one of his shoelaces. But then, he had a new idea to try and break it with a hammer and blow it away with a leaf blower. And that worked really well, bringing back hope to resume work as soon as possible. This took almost 8 hours of work, but the building process can continue tomorrow.